How to search in Shein by code. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily search in Shein by item or product code. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first, to search in Shein by code, you will need to copy the product or item code. So to copy the code, open up your Shein app. Now once you're in your Shein app, open that product. So now once you're on the product page, here you have to tap on the share button, then tap on copy link. Now once you have copied the link, open up any notes app, paste the link, then here is the product code. So copy the product code. Now once you have copied the product code, so now I'm gonna search for the product code on Shein. And now you can see that after I have searched for the product code, the product is here. So this is how you can search in Shein by code. Thanks for watching.